Hi, how are ya? I've got an exciting video for you today. Today we are off-roading with another Jimny. There's also something really loose, listen. There's something loose in the Jeep, under the Jeep, on the Jeep, inside the Jeep, in here. There's something loose. I need to figure out what it is, but I'm going off-roading first, which is best to do. You know, if there's a problem with your Jeep, you just bring it off-roading and then you figure out what the problem is afterwards, not possibly what, you know, could cause damage or anything, whatever. Anyway, we're going to meet another Jimny. Let's go! Right, there is something loose, right, underneath here. And it's ding 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 ding. I wonder if it's the exhaust. Oh, possibly. What the fuck? That's it. That's it, it's exhaust. Oh, am I showing you what's happening right now? Yeah, it's banging off this pipe right here. Banging off here. Okay, well, that's not exactly the sound. That is a sound. There's another ting 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 ting. Sounds like brake pads. Something to do with brake pads. I'm vibing. Here's the other Jimny. Turn down the music. Look at her! Look at her go! Oh, I conked it! I'm very excited. I'm very excited. So, this fella, this is my uncle. Where is he? There. This is his very first time off-roading. He bought a Jimny. What? Yeah, it's fine. Once it goes back on into 4 low and it's staying there in the gear knob, you'll be fine. I haven't a clue what I'm on about. So this is his first time off-roading and I'm bringing him up this track. Is that cruel or no? Trial by fire. And he's being recorded all at the same time. Go over that way. I probably shouldn't bring him up this track first go. Hey, you might want to come out that way and then circle back in, kind of over there and then back over this side. He'll learn. This is a learning experience. It's beautiful. Where's he going? No, he's had enough. He's gone. See, he's not got off-road tires as well, but them tires should be good. Should be pretty good. You can see the front wheel is vibrating. Don't know if she's going to go up there like that now. Might be too dry for him. First time off-road and give her more revs, more revs, more revs. I'm going to get run over here. Right, it's his first time. It's alright. It's not really fair that I'm recording him either. Yeah, go on, keep going, keep going. There's something wrong with the fucking 4-wheel drive in his one as well. Jimny's bad jokes. Jimny's are bad jokes. That wasn't very gentlemanly of me putting him up that track first go. His tires and shit. He just climbed out of that himself. Not a bother. One-handed, baby! One-handed, baby! Okay, so we're going to go over the barrier down there and see if that goes a bit better for us. Hey! Yeah, that wasn't very fair to put him on that track, especially with his tires and stuff like that. So, we'll see how he goes over this one. Go, go, go. Oh, first go! What? Oh my word! Look at that! Beautifully executed. Right, apologies if this video is kind of all over the place. I'm trying to be trainer guy and trying to teach the best I can, and I'm not very good at explaining things, so trying to teach someone how to 4-wheel drive who's never 4-wheel drive before, and also not be too crazy on them with the tracks that I send them on. Be conscious that they don't have off-road tires, they have kind of, it's grippy-ish tires, but with the dry clay. I'm raving. Anyway, if this video is all over the place, it's because I'm trying to train someone and make a video and not put them under pressure in the video. They've really done all. Louisiana bound. She voted it just one. tyres are fucking slicking off straight away. There's a little mud patch down there at the start of the track, and the tyres are just getting nicely coated, and then the second they're needed, they're just sliding. Oh, I've conked it. There he goes. See, the tyres is what's letting him down. The tyres, Jana. I'd say give a good run at it. Easier for me to say, says the king. She did it! Up we go! Up we go! Yes! This is the track that I should have brought him to. Well, this is his first track. Actually, third track. I've just been cruel. Yeah, left, there you go, there you go. He knows the way! He knows the way! Yes! Go straight on and it goes around right. Follow it around. We have success. That'll build confidence. That'll build confidence. Let's just kind of give her a razz. Oh shit, I forgot about this. Follow on. Chase cam is on. Ho! Chase camera is on, babies! We got him up a track. Oop, he's gotta learn. He's gotta learn by hitting them stumps. Oh yes, I love it. I love it. 2 Jeeps off-roading, baby. Now I told him it wraps around to the right. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is a bit of a funny trail actually. Back I go. Go right! Oh, she goes straight over that. There you go, look at that! Look at that! Yes! Look at it! It's happening! Yeah, we're too far up with the RC, but I'm going to stop here and let him go for a sec. Just give him space. Which is exactly what I shouldn't have done. I should have kept the pressure on. Now he gets to go and I have to reverse back until we find a bit of better ground. Now we just slightly... Look at him climbing away! It's his first time off-road and he's climbing away! Yeah! I'm getting tossed around the place! This is it. Yes! I'm like a proud father, but he's like my brother. Yes! Down that way! Actually, I just remembered what's up that track and I don't want to send him up there, so we'll go down. We'll go down that way. I camped up there somewhere. Yay! We did it! We did it! Oh, this is going to be a fun track for him to go down. Slow down! Slow down! Slow down! He's lifted it! He's lifted it! Ah, Jesus! Oh my God! Ah! Ah! the track. Yay! What have I done? He's unstoppable now! You can bring a horse to water and he drank. La 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 la. Oh, peaceful and beautiful that is. And here's us tour rags with Jimny's absolutely launching the spot. He should be back. He should be coming now. I just got him to turn around. I am ecstatic, absolutely ecstatic with how that just went. He got his first track in, which I'm delighted about. There he is now. On we go. Beautiful day. Ah, I hate you two. Right, so the next track we're going to hit, obviously he's restricted by tires. We've just learned that. I didn't think it would be too bad, but it turns out once they get any bit of stuff on them at all, they're just gone. You can forget about them for the next few minutes. So there's a track over this way, over this side of the mountain, that is basically, you can start at the top of it and just go down. And it's a little bit technical, it's nothing insane. It'll be fine because I have a winch. He has a winch as well, but there's no controller with it, so that's been ordered online, but it's not here yet. Anyway, yeah, it's nothing crazy. We'll manage, and he'll manage away. Yeah, so hope you enjoy 2 Jimny's. Yeah, he's gone already. He's gone. I was like, wait till I turn around. He's gone. Oh. After busting the sunglasses off my head and everything. Hold on, maybe I have to just hold it in here. It's not good to see. Can't see anything. Oh my word, the wipers and everything are on. Ah, I gotta do this one-handed. Look at that Jimny. Man, he is not touching the brakes. Oh my god! Oh my god! This has never been seen before footage. He's never off-roaded before and he's lifting it. Oh my god. He's barely touching the brakes. I'm struggling. Ah, drive on, I hit the horn by accident. Drive on, I hit it by accident. I'm a oh, my head. Oh my god. Oh. I hope he's not crazy down here because this is a fair old hill. Oh, hold your hand out the window onto the snorkel. Jesus! Oh my word! What a fucking psycho! First casualty. She fucking winch came off. Hold on, let me see if you can see that. Sheared 4 bolts. Them bolts would not have held it. And there's another 2 here. I don't think they would have held if you had to winch yourself out. Regardless. This little hill over here. I think this little bit of a hill here caught it and pulled it off. After going down that. This is what done it. What? I'm going to record this because you never know what I actually do when I go down over this hill to get around the barrier. Hiya! So, quit your work site, whatever. There's the barrier. Here's how to get around the barrier. But you never know how crazy it is, so I'm going to take it from this angle. Drive on, lad! Hopefully everything goes okay. I probably shouldn't stand right here because I'll get murdered. Nice one. Easy. Look at that little Jeep. I always wanted to show you that from outside. So we've had our first casualty, winch down, but it's good that we figured out there's 4 miniature micro bolts holding it on. Now what we can do is beef it up with 4 big chubby boys. Look at this bad boy, huh? Absolute Jimny dream. A Jimny dream, so it is. Alright, well, to be honest with you, this is kind of a soft day that we're doing. So it's probably going to be the video here. And we'll see you in the next one. But I'm going to go down over this first. And down we go. And up we go the other side. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.